Hey, good Friday morning, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop. Haven't done a video on old Brownie lately. We've been feeding her some new parts. She deserves them. Uh, got this thing running a little better now. I put a new Walker muffler on it. Here's the old one. And it idles a hell of a lot better now. Must have had something to do with the back pressure or lack of it, but it idles really nice now. And yesterday we put some new shocks on it, and I'll show you what the old ones look like. I think the back ones might have been original, but somebody put these things on the front. I've never seen a shock with plastic on it before. Of course, I haven't done many of these, but ended up having to twist the tops off to get it off. But man, she really sticks nice to the corners now when she goes around them. That made a big difference. And what else did we do here? Give me a second. About a month and a half ago, we put new plugs, wires, and cap on it. That helped her. And our gas gauge issue was still there. I found out that it is the sending unit in the tank, and we're gonna change that. I don't know if I'm gonna do it before winter, if I put it back in the barn for the winter. I'd like to. It doesn't really look that bad on this. It only has a single tank, and there's a little bit of room to maneuver. But I took the connector off the gas tank and put a couple different size resistors across the sending wires, and the gauge responded. So it's probably the foil in the sent to the tank. I mean, this thing's due a new fuel pump anyway. I'm not really concerned about the fuel gauge as much as fuel pump leaving me stranded on the side of the road. So we'll do that. But man, I love running this thing, and for not being a mechanic, it's nice doing some of the basic things. And I always joke with the guys. I said, when's the last time you owned a truck where you could see the ground underneath it? But this parts for this are pretty cheap. So today I got I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, I got a steering damper coming. Might as well throw one of them on there. That's probably the original, but steers all right. But I want to see if there's a difference. Like I say, shocks are only like $21. Steering damper is $20. Fuel pump's only like $80. So it's amazing how cheap parts are considering how much everything else is today. But that's it. I thought I'd give you an update.